I know I'm always going on about growing in small pots, but I wasn't expecting that.
Look at that cabbage white. Absolutely desperate to get in at those cabbages. Well, I'm harvesting them today, tough. I'm just in one of my raised beds harvesting some cabbage. Unfortunately, the slugs have enjoyed more of these than I'm going to. We just watched the cabbage white trying to get at these. It's previously netted, and I think that's one of the drawbacks of netting. If the netting's up, the birds can't get in there and deal with the slugs. So we're going to harvest this, remove the netting, and let the birds have a good feast on the soil and hopefully get rid of some of the slug burden. The robins and blackbirds are really going to enjoy this. I've got some leeks ready to go in. I'll give it a few days, let the birds clear up a little bit, and then give it a top dressing of compost and feed before I pop the leeks in. You may remember I had a go at the single seed potato challenge, and I had one egg-sized potato, and I think I got about 3 or 4. Well, the 4th one didn't make it into a pot. Terrible. But here are the 3. Now I've emptied out 2 of them, and that's my haul. Let's have a look what's in the last bag. Emptied out the compost bag, the co-op bag, which was single seed potato number 1. And this is, I don't know if you can make that out, single seed potato number 3. Ooh! I'm quite pleased with that. Well folks, this might not seem like a huge haul, but this is the most potatoes I've ever grown. Let's see if there's anything else in the bag. I've emptied them out because the plants have very much had it. And this compost is going to go into my raised planter for the leeks. This was number 6, and I completely forgot to pot him on. You can see there from the label, Maris Piper number 6. Well, let's tip him out anyway. Oh, wow. Well, just look at that. I've harvested potatoes from a tiny little pot. Look how tiny that pot is. And this is my harvest of potatoes, almost a meal.
I know I'm always going on about growing in small pots, but I wasn't expecting that.
So that's my haul of potatoes from one single seed potato. Lovely couple of meals or so of Maris Piper, not bad.